Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a story about love. But not all love is meant to stay. Sometimes we must walk away, even if it hurts. This story is called Even If I Love You, I Must Let You Go. Let's begin. My name is Nina. I want to tell you a story. It is about love and letting go. I met him at a small cafe. His name was Alex. He was kind. He was gentle. We talked for hours. We laughed. We felt close. After that day, we met again. And again. I started to like him. More and more. One evening, he looked at me and said, "I enjoy being with you." My heart felt warm. "I feel the same," I said. Everything felt perfect. But one day, everything changed. We were sitting together, talking and smiling. Then his phone rang. He looked at the screen. His face changed. He stood up and walked away. I felt something strange. When he came back, I asked, "Who was that?" He stayed quiet. Then he said, "It was my girlfriend." My heart stopped. "You have a girlfriend?" I asked. He nodded slowly. "I wanted to tell you," he said, but it was too late. I felt pain. Deep pain. "But why are you with me?" I asked. He looked at me. "I like you," he said. That answer hurt even more. Days passed. He still texted me. He still wanted to meet me, and I still loved talking to him. I was confused. This is wrong, I thought. But my heart was weak. One day we met again. He smiled, like nothing was wrong. "Did you miss me?" he asked. I looked at him. "Yes," I said softly, but my heart was heavy. That night I could not sleep. I thought about everything. His smile, his voice, his lies. And her, the girl who trusted him. I asked myself one question. If I stay, what kind of person am I? The answer was clear. The next day, I met him. "I need to talk," I said. He smiled. "Okay," he said. I took a deep breath. "I can't do this anymore," I said. He looked surprised. "Why?" he asked. "Because you already have someone," I said. "But I like you," he said. I shook my head. "That's not enough," I said. "This is not love. This is hurting someone." He stayed quiet. "I respect myself," I said. "And I respect her too." He looked down. "So, this is goodbye?" he asked. I nodded. "Yes," I said. My heart was breaking, but I stayed strong. I turned and walked away. I did not look back. That night I cried. I missed him, but I knew I made the right choice. Days passed. Slowly I felt better. I smiled again. I felt free. Because love is not just feeling. Love is also respect. Respect for others. And for yourself. My name is Nina, and this is my story. Thank you for listening. Sometimes love is not enough. We must make the right choice, even when it hurts. Because real love does not hurt others. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.